Hey, Jump Rope Warriors, I love that Bruce Lee quote, and I thought it was perfect for today's video. As you can see, I have a knapsack with me, and I just put 2 ankle weights inside, each weighing a little over 1.5 kilos. And now I'm putting in 2 1-liter bottles of water, each weighing 1 kilogram. The total weight, including the weight of the bag, is 5.5 kilos, or 12 pounds. Why I'm doing this is because I have an acquaintance who is struggling to do 100 double unders in a row. This is a goal he has, and he often says if he weighed less, he could do it. He's approximately 12 pounds heavier than me, though he is lean and athletic. So today I decided to finish off my workout with just over 100 double unders in a row while wearing the weighted knapsack. I have no doubt this person will be able to do 100 double unders in a row if he doesn't give up and he continues to practice and, perhaps most importantly, be patient. But if he limits his potential by saying he can't achieve this goal because of his body weight, then he is doing a disservice to himself. So it's the beginning of a new year. Set goals for yourself, believe in yourself. We can do great things. If you have any jump rope goals or personal goals that you want to achieve, or maybe habits that you want to change, please feel free to tell me about them. And also stay tuned to the end of this video where I empty the contents of the bag and I finish with another awesome quote from Bruce Lee. It's going to be a great year, everyone.